Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Find x square dou square u by dou x square plus 2xy dou square u by dou x dou y plus y square dou square u by dou y square if u that is equal to x square plus y square whole power 1 by 3. Okay, if u is this one, how to find this value, friends? Now, how to apply Euler's theorem to this function? We discuss problems on Euler's theorem. What, friends? Problems on Euler's theorem. Let us see the problem, friends. If u that is equal to x square y square by x plus y, then find x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y. And what is second problem, friends? What is second problem? X into dou square u by dou x dou y plus y into dou square u by dou y square. Okay, friends, dou square u by dou y square. Let us see whether the given function is homogeneous or not. Okay, let us see. Solution. Okay, this is u of xy that is equal to x square y square by x plus y. So, for the homogeneous function, you take here, friends, u of kx ky that is equal to, what is meaning of this, friends? We just write kx in place of x and ky in place of y. So, we have here x square, so that kx whole square. Here we have y square, so ky whole square divided by x means kx plus y means ky. That is equal to k square into k square. We get a k power 4 into x square into y square divided by, here you can take in common k and we get here x plus y. Okay, in k power 4 how many times, friends? 3 times. So, u is, hence u is, come on, tell me, friends, homogeneous function of degree, come on, tell me, of degree, very good, of degree 3. So, by Euler's theorem, what is Euler's theorem? X into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y, that is equal to nu. What, friends? X into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y, that is equal to nu. What is n value here? N value is 3. So, x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y, that is equal to 3u, friends, 3u. This is the first one, friends. So, this is 1. Now, if you observe second one here, friends, x into dou square u by dou x dou y plus y into dou square u by dou y square. That means what he done here? Come on, guess. What he done here? Simply he differentiate partially this equation with respect to y, friends, with respect to y. So, right here differentiate 1 partially with respect to y, we get, tell me, friends, here x is constant, friends, we know. Okay, we get here dou square u by dou x dou y. So, x is constant here, friends, So, x dou square u by dou x dou y plus, see, friends, here y dou u by dou y. Apply here uv rule, friends. So, derivative of y is 1, so that we get here dou u by dou y. dou u by dou y plus y into derivative of dou u by dou y is dou square u by dou y square, that is equal to right hand side we have 3 into u friends. So 3 into dou u by dou y, 3 into dou u by dou y, so that we get here x into dou square u by dou x dou y plus, now you transpose this dou u by dou y to the right hand side friends, so that we get here y into dou square u by dou y square, that is equal to, just two terms are same, 3 minus 1 2 into dou u by dou y, 2 into dou u by dou y. This is the required solution friends. Check for the second one. Once again friends, he given u, say this is homogeneous function of degree 3. Simply I apply here Euler's theorem, then I get here this value is 3u. And second problem I observe here dou square u by dou y square and dou y. So I can differentiate partially this equation with respect to y, keeping x as constant friends. So differentiate, then I get the value is 2 into dou u by dou y, 2 into dou u by dou y. Let us see another problem friends. Find x square dou square u by dou x square plus 2xy dou square u by dou x dou y plus y square dou square u by dou y square if u that is equal to x square plus y square whole power 1 by 3. This is also 2019 problem friends. Let us see the solution. Okay, first of all we check here also whether given function is homogeneous or not. So u of xy that is equal to x square plus y square whole power 1 by 3 friends. Now check here u of kx comma ky, that is equal to, you simply write kx in place of x, so that you get here k square x square, here also k square y square whole power 1 by 3. Finally we can take in common here friends k square, so k square whole power 1 by 3, k square whole power 1 by 3 into x square plus y square whole power 1 by 3. Okay friends, now it is like a power m whole power n, that is equal to a power mn, so that it can be written as k power 2 by 3 into x square plus y square whole power 1 by 3. So u is homogeneous function of degree 2 by 3, what friends, of degree 2 by 3. So by Euler's theorem, okay, what is Euler's theorem friends here? X square into dou square u by dou x square plus 2xy dou square u by dou x dou y plus y square into dou square u by dou y square, that is equal to n into n minus 1 into u friends. What friends? N into n minus 1 into u. Okay, that is equal to, what is n value here? 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 minus 1 into u. So that is equal, we get here, come on tell me here friends, 2 by 3 minus 1, 2 minus 3, we get minus 1 by 3. So we get here minus 2 by 9 u. What is the value friends here? What is this value? Minus 2 by 9 into u. This is the required solution friends. Here also we check whether the given function is homogeneous or not. So get a homogeneous function of degree 2 by 3. We know the Euler's theorem statement friends, x square dou square u by dou x square plus 2xy dou square u by dou x dou y plus y square dou square u by dou y square, that is equal to n into n minus 1 into u. Okay, we substitute n value here, we get minus 2 by 9 u friends, which is the required solution of given problem. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.